By the end of this video, you'll know the exact roadmap that turns everyday spending into a completely free flight. And the number most beginners underestimate is how fast it actually happens. Not in a year, not in 5 years, often inside a single billing cycle. This isn't a credit score gamble or a get-rich scheme. It's a system banks already built. You just haven't been shown how to use it correctly. I'm giving you 9 steps, 0 to your first redemption. So stick around because step 7 is the mistake that wastes most beginner points. First, let's define the actual product. Points and miles are a currency issued by banks, airlines, and hotels for spending money you were already going to spend. They're not free. You earn them through gas, groceries, and normal monthly bills you already pay. The value shows up later, when you trade them for flights or hotel nights instead of cash. Step 1 opens the roadmap. Know the 2 families of points before you apply for anything. Transferable points live in one bank account, like a checking account for travel. You can move them to more than a dozen airline and hotel partners on demand. Airline miles, by contrast, live inside a single program forever. They can be worth more per mile, but they are locked to one airline's rules and seat availability. Beginners should start collecting transferable points because flexibility beats brand loyalty early on. Step 2, pick one no annual fee everyday card before you touch anything with a sign-up bonus. This card earns a flat rate on every purchase, so there are no categories to memorize. It's your foundation card, the one you'll still use in 10 years, bonus or not. Getting this card first also builds the account history that bigger sign-up bonuses require later. Here's the part nobody explains before step 3. Step 3, track 90 days of your real spending before applying for any bonus card. Pull 3 months of statements and add up total spend, not just one category. That number tells you which sign-up bonus you can hit without adding a single extra dollar of spending. Most beginners guess. Don't guess, the math is already sitting in your statements. Step 4, match one sign-up bonus to a real trip goal, not the biggest number you saw online. Decide where you actually want to fly before you choose a card. Search that route's cash price and its typical points priced side by side. That comparison tells you which currency, airline or transferable, actually gets you there. Now here's where most beginners either win big or quietly lose money. Step 5, hit the minimum spend using money you were already going to spend. Route rent, insurance, subscriptions, and normal bills through the new card where the platform allows it. Never buy something you don't need just to clear a spend threshold. Pay the full statement balance every single month. Interest erases points value instantly. A sign-up bonus is only free if you never carry a balance to earn it. Step 6, let the bonus post, then confirm the actual point balance in your account. Bonuses typically post 1 to 2 billing cycles after you clear the spend requirement. Confirm the number matches what was advertised before you plan any trip around it. Step 7 is the mistake that wastes most beginner points. Transferring before you have a confirmed award seat. Transfers from transferable points to airline partners are one-way and instant, with no undo button. Search award availability on the airline partner's own site first. Only transfer points once you can see the specific flight, date, and seat you actually want. This one habit prevents the single most common regret in this entire hobby. Step 8, book your first redemption using a basic award search, nothing fancy. Start with a well-known award search tool most transferable programs already link to. Search one way, flexible dates, economy class for your very first attempt. Compare the points price plus taxes against the cash price for the same seat. If points save you more than roughly 1 cent of value per point, it's generally a solid redemption. Step 9, avoid the 5 mistakes that quietly drain most beginner accounts. Mistake 1, letting points expire from inactivity. Some programs reset the clock without warning. Mistake 2, overpaying an annual fee on a card whose perks you never actually use. Mistake 3, chasing every bonus at once and missing minimum spend windows entirely. Mistake 4, closing your oldest card, which can shorten your overall credit history. Mistake 5, transferring points speculatively without a confirmed redemption already in hand. Let's recap the full roadmap in 10 seconds. Learn the 2-point families, get one everyday card, track your spend, Match a bonus to a real goal, hit it debt-free, confirm the post, search before you transfer, book smart, and avoid the 5 mistakes. That's the entire distance between 0 and a free flight. The next move: open your Notes app right now and write down one destination you actually want to fly to this year. That single destination is what turns this from theory into your first booked award seat. Subscribe for the next video, where we build a full 12-month points calendar around exactly that trip.